name is Geeti Chandra, and I do many things. I teach at the university, and I teach literature. I'm a musician, but this is my first children's book, and it's called The Fang of Summoning. It's about 6 young children between the ages of 2 and 18 who suddenly find that they have amazing magical powers, and they don't know what to do with them. And finally they go to their grandfather and say, what are we going to do? What is this about? And the grandfather, it turns out, is the keeper of a very, very important magical star. And the star holds all the magical powers of Vasuki. Vasuki, if you might know, is a mythological snake in Indian mythology. And the grandfather is one of the last keepers of the powers of Vasuki in what is called a star stone. So the story takes place on how there's an adversary who wants the jewels, the star stone, for its magical powers and so on. And there's another story that begins about 1,000 years ago in Iceland, and a young girl who has made friends with Vasuki and who disappears mysteriously. And so the story takes place both in ancient Iceland and in contemporary Gurgaon and Delhi. And you have to read it to find out how there are twin planets which are on the verge of extinction, which are going to be actually our next North Pole stars, and why they are dying and what the powers from them are, how they're connected with the star stones that the grandfather has, what the girl in ancient Iceland has to do with them, what is her secret, how is she connected to these 6 children in India, and how the 6 children save the world from extinction. So it's a book that includes a lot of Indian mythology. It's a book that is about young children, young people today who live and have fun and work and do what they have to in India today. It's about astronomy, it's about the North Star, it's about planets and their energies. It's about ancient Iceland and how it was formed and what the people there did and how they're connected together. So it's what we call a fantasy for young adults. And young adults, as you know, are anywhere between 10 and 18, but for adults who are young, anyone who may want to read it who feels young. The book is available. Should I hold it up? Here's the book. It's available by Hachette for 250 rupees. The picture that you see on the back is a real place in Iceland. The arch which takes place, a lot of the action in the book takes place here. So the places in Iceland, the places in Delhi and Gurgaon, these are all real. A lot of the mythology is Indian mythology and Icelandic mythology. The scenes and the landscape is familiar. The children may sound familiar, but the story is pure fantasy. The astronomy is real. All the astronomy, the astronomical facts in the book, these are all real. But the story, of course, is pure fantasy.